Good morning, everybody. Here I'm sharing with you guys new offers that are on Savings Star. It's the beginning of the month, so they always add new offers. Now, some of these offers are not like hot offers that you have to add it right away, but just want to give you guys a heads up. So here, a lot of these are coupons that are also available on coupons.com. You're not supposed to combine them, but many of us do, and you still get money for it. So here's like, the El Paso 50 cents off of one, which I'm going to add. We got the food should taste good, Larabar. I'm going to add that. Here we got Pillsbury, $1 off of 3, which there was a coupon for that. Protein 1. I love this coupon, $1 off of 2. Makes a great deal on that. Totino's, Nature Valley. If it'll add it. It's weird. Gushers, I always get that because, yeah. Here we got yogurt. Oh, that's a yogurt. Here's that Yoplait, or YQ by Yoplait. That's something new. Here we have a $2 off Survey. I don't know if that's available on Checkout 51, but Checkout 51 and Savings Star are kind of linked, so you guys have to use one or the other. I do Checkout 51 more because it resets. But here we got some Act. I'd have to go on Checkout 51, but lots of boxed wine. I don't drink wine, so yes. But I just wanted to share with you guys new deals that you guys can get on Savings Star. Hope you guys enjoy these kind of videos. As Oreos, when does that expire? In 4 days. I don't know if I'm going to get any Oreo bars, but let's just add it. One thing I do like about Savings Star is you can check and see if the product qualifies. Here we got $2.25 off of Dunkin'. And it's all that Cremo stuff. Sargento. There's a lot of offers, but I don't add hardly any of these offers because they've been on here forever. So yes, just wanted to share with you guys new deals on Savings Star. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.